Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to talk about something I'm sure will interest you if you work in customer experience or multi-channel marketing projects. We'll discuss Salesforce CDP, a new technology that has become a buzzword in the Salesforce community. We are going to see why there is so much interest, what implications it has in the marketing world, and we are going to review its main features and benefits. We will also see if it can be interesting or not in your next marketing project. If you find the content of this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification button. So we'll start by talking about the following points. First, we'll explain what a Customer Data Platform is. Then we'll review the features and functionality of the Salesforce CDP. Following, we'll see what role Salesforce CDP plays within Marketing Cloud Platform. And we'll finalize with the benefits of using Salesforce CDP versus other solutions. So let's get started. Let's see what a customer data platform really is and why it's important in marketing and customer experience projects. More and more customer relationships are built on personalization and trust. According to different studies, 73% of customers expect brands to understand their needs and address them in a personalized way. On the other hand, 65% of customers have stopped engaging with the brand due to negative experiences. Today's marketing teams face great digital challenges. Probably the main challenge is based on unifying our customer data. We have more and more data, so much that for many marketing teams, data is a real headache. We are tired of hearing terms like data silos, but very few companies are able to consistently build a single view of the customer. We usually have a lot of data, but few insights. What makes it worse is the fact that many companies are adding to the Salesforce marketing platform additional channels, like webinars or e-commerce platforms. But very often, the problem increases without the appropriate tools. The term CDP, or Customer Data Platform, is not new, but it is the new trend of 2022. The CDP is nothing more than an evolution of CRM adapted to new digital needs. The addition of new pieces to the marketer's toolbox, including automation, personalization, and the ever-increasing multi-channel and real-time capabilities, has created a demand for a new entity to encompass all these elements. This is why Customer Data Platform has become the new buzzword in the Salesforce ecosystem. So you can think that a CDP is similar if a CRM and a data lake got married and have a child called CDP. It combines the CRM world together with the new digital marketing needs. And so, let's finally explain how Salesforce CDP works. It obtains data from various sources, organizes them, and uses them to generate segmented audiences to target. And very important, the end user for Salesforce CDP is a marketing user, and it allows them to capture, unify, and segment data. It allows them to be able to create personalized experiences in the rest of the Salesforce applications and platforms. In summary, it's a new cutting-edge technology for companies trying to provide a fully personalized cross-channel experience at the core of their marketing strategy. Salesforce CDP has different features, like unified profiles, where an individual is identified in all the different digital platforms connected. It's the engagement history, where all the channel interactions like website, email, remote calls, visits, webinars are collected. It provides calculated insights, because with CDP it's possible to create custom fields for each unified individual profile. For example, scoring and grading fields. Or even chain history, a very useful log that tracks the value changes for any field of the unified profile. But the most important feature from Salesforce CDP is probably the drag and drop segmentation from the customers. Any marketer is able to configure advanced cross-platform segmentation with CDP. With direct attributes, marketers can perform simple segmentation, or advanced cross-platform segmentation mixing direct and related attributes. Imagine that you want to create a new journey for your customer and you want to target a specific location. For example, a customer in San Francisco with a specific customer purchase history and that has interacted with your email and visited a specific product page last week. All these combinations are possible to generate by a marketing user without the need of complex IT or specialized support. And they are immediately available in Marketing Cloud in order to activate the segment we have just created. Okay, but you can say that this sounds familiar to you, doesn't it? You can say that you can implement these features using Marketing Cloud or Salesforce Interaction Studio or a custom data lake. Well, you're right. It's easy to get confused with the functionalities of other Salesforce tools like Salesforce Marketing Cloud or Interaction Studio. It's even similar to data lake outcomes. So let's try to explain the differences between these solutions. Data lakes focuses on business data unification and business analytics. The end user is a highly skilled technical specialist. Salesforce Marketing Cloud focuses on email campaigns and customer journeys, while the end user are Salesforce email specialists. While the end user is a marketing expert, Salesforce CDP focuses on customer identity, engagement, and sophisticated segmentations. And finally, let's review how all the pieces work together. Salesforce CDP is the place where the segmentation and the audience for your marketing campaign is created. There are different pieces of content that need to be generated in Marketing Cloud, for example, emails or journeys. Interaction Studio, for example, dynamic pop-ups or targeted banners. Or web pages in your website CMS. The data flow setup and technical campaign configuration needs to be implemented in Marketing Cloud and Interaction Studio, while the analytics are performed together in your business intelligence tool and Salesforce CDP. The data flow setup and technical campaign configuration needs to be implemented in Marketing Cloud and Interaction Studio, while the analytics are performed together in your business intelligence tool and Salesforce CDP. And that's our review about what Salesforce CDP is and how you can take advantage of it in your next marketing campaign. I hope that you have enjoyed the content of this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.